All right, welcome to this episode of My VA Disability Claim. Helpful Veteran, brought to you by the Carter Hughes Knowledge Institute. As always, today we're going to talk about the respiratory conditions, right? And this is how you file series. We're just walking you through, giving you a walkthrough, showing exactly how we file the claim, right? From deciding on what to file to evaluating, is it strong, is it weak, to the rating schedule, what are they looking for, to the 3-element statement, how can we lay it out simply, and then we just copy and paste that and put it right on the form, right? We try to keep it simple, try to keep it useful. Today, what we're talking about, respiratory conditions, right? Specifically, the one that we're filing is allergic rhinitis. You have sinusitis as well. You got sleep apnea as well. You got COPD, right? I saw a lot of that back when I was filing claims. So there's different respiratory conditions, but again, we're going to show you how to find it on the rating schedule and how to put this claim together for this specific scenario, right? Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. If you have other conditions you want to see us make a this is how you file for, put it in the comments, right? Put it in the comments. We appreciate all the kind words. We appreciate all the questions. We appreciate the community helping each other out, right? It's a beautiful thing. Simple, useful information. All right, so we're going to take you through the rating schedule and then show you how we put together that 3-element statement. Okay, so here we are at that rating schedule. All right, this rating schedule, again, it's like the teacher telling you how they're going to grade the test before you have to turn in the test, right? Like knowing exactly what you need to do to get an A. And you can access this rating schedule just by going to Google, right? It's the 38, see Title 38, Code of Federal Regulations, 38, CFR, Part 4, right? Like that's what you would put in Google, and it'll bring you here, 38, CFR, Part 4. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're filing for a respiratory condition, allergic rhinitis really, but we put that respiratory condition language in there just in case we have other respiratory conditions, right? And we don't want to have to do additional filing, so we just put respiratory conditions to include but not limited to allergic rhinitis. That's magic language right there, baby. So we just search for allergic. Look at that, boom, pops up. We do the Control F function, that's the find function. Control F, the box will pop up, type in the term you're looking for. We found it. And what we do is take this language and put it on that 3-element statement to make sure we're giving it to them exactly how they want it, right? So for allergic rhinitis, with polyps, 30%, right? Have these symptoms, get this rating. Have these symptoms, get this rating, right? So 10% without polyps, but with greater than 50% obstruction of nasal passage on both sides, or complete nasal obstruction on one side. Complete obstruction, I threw a nasal myself, right? That means you stopped up, right? You stopped up all the time because of this allergic rhinitis, all right? If folks are experiencing this, file the claim for it, especially if you're around burn pits or other kind of hazardous chemicals for an extended period of time, right? So here rating schedule, all we do again, take this language, put it onto the statement, and then we copy, paste that statement right onto the claims form, right? VA form 526, easy.